On the 2026 campaign trail, we have updates on two Democrats running for office. Phil Hirschkorn joins us live this noontime with new information about both Hannah Pingree and Janet Mills. Great to see you, Phil.
Good afternoon, Brian. So for starters, Hannah Pingree, a Democratic candidate for governor, has unveiled her health care plan for Maine. Yesterday, Pingree described her top three priorities as to make health insurance more affordable, to expand care where people need it, and to make communities healthier. At her campaign headquarters in Portland, Pingree told us she intends to expand primary and maternity care while improving access to mental health and addiction treatment and lowering the price of prescription drugs through bulk purchasing. She's also proposing an alternative to MaineCare to help people get coverage.
As governor, I will launch a new public health insurance option, a state-backed plan that answers to Maine people, not Wall Street or corporate profits. It will not take away private insurance. It will give people and small businesses another choice, a reliable, affordable option that puts pressure on our entire system to lower costs.
Pingree said that option will offset the rising premiums under the Affordable Care Act plans. You can read more about her plan on her website and see my new sit-down interview with her on our streaming app, News Center Maine Plus. Now, the day after Susan Collins officially confirmed her re-election run, Janet Mills resumed campaigning for that U.S. Senate seat, visiting businesses in downtown Gorham. Earlier, Mills promoted her renewable energy policies by joining Plus Power for the company's ribbon cutting at Crosstown Energy Storage, a new 5-acre state-of-the-art battery storage system in Gorham Industrial Park. It stores electricity generated by solar and wind power and delivers it back to the grid during peak demand, such as extreme summer heat or winter cold. It'll be the largest standalone battery storage facility in New England. Now, speaking to reporters, Mills addressed President Trump's decision to disinvite all 24 Democratic governors from the annual National Governors Association meeting at the White House next week. Mills calling his move petty and foolish.
It's ridiculous, and it's just a sign of the times from this administration who does not respect bipartisanship, does not respect the role of the governors in managing what we do and addressing the affordability crisis that he has helped create. Some of us were invited to the dinner, but we're not going.
It turns out no Republican governors are going to that meeting either. That's according to Oklahoma's Republican governor, who is president of the NGA. Now, Brian, that's the meeting last year where Trump and Mills had that confrontation over transgender girls playing in sports. Mills saying, "See you in court," defending that law. And, by the way, that's something that Maine voters should have a chance to vote on this November if that referendum gets on the ballot.
That ballot question we've been following as well. It's hard to believe in the world of politics it's been a year since that governor's meeting where Governor Mills made that comment to the
That's
president.
right. And by the way, we did talk to Susan Collins this week, in fairness, about her run, which Mills is criticizing there. I've got 10 minutes of an interview with her also on our website and on our streaming app. People want to hear from themselves what Susan Collins is saying, partly responding to Mills and Graham Plattner's criticism.
All on News Center Maine Plus.
Yes,
Phil
sir.
Hirschkorn on the campaign trail. Appreciate it, Phil. Thank you.
Yeah.